Walk-behind scrubber dryers often have bulky designs which limit their ability to clean the whole floor area. The rotary brush's slow scrubbing speed, in this case 140 RPM, requires the machine to be pushed slowly as to give the machine enough time to clean the floor. The T-handle design requires the operator to walk behind the machine, moving up and down the floor 15 times to clean this area. The tall, bulky head design is not able to clean underneath obstacles. Circular brushes cannot scrub into 90-degree corners. The T-handle design becomes awkward to maneuver in tight spaces, leaving many areas uncleaned. A second process is required to properly clean the full area. As many areas were missed with the T-handle scrubber, the operator is now required to mop those areas. Time is spent returning the machine to the closet, filling the mop bucket, returning to the area, and erecting wet floor signs. This additional step of mopping missed areas is labor-intensive and adds significant cost to the floor cleaning process. Often, these areas are either not cleaned at all or are cleaned poorly using manual equipment, leaving dirty edges that negatively impact the overall hygiene of the establishment. Manual cleaning involves moving heavy buckets of water and frequent bending, increasing the risk of musculoskeletal disorders, MSDs, in the workforce. Additional time is also spent returning the mop bucket to the cleaning closet to be emptied and cleaned, with mops removed for laundering. This extra mopping adds water and chemical waste. A total of 11 minutes 55 seconds is spent for the two-process cleaning method. DRYFT is the world's first S-Motion scrubber dryer, featuring a unique vertical S-shaped handle design. This innovative format allows the user to swing the machine from left to right, while simply walking forward or backward once. With the previous method, the operator had to walk back and forth 15 times. With DRYFT, the same area can be covered in just 5 passes. DRYFT's ultra-low profile cleaning head, just 5 centimeters high, allows it to scrub and dry underneath obstacles, removing the need to mop these areas separately. Its patented head shape also enables DRYFT to clean right into corners, eliminating the need for additional mopping. The vertical handle design provides exceptional maneuverability in tight spaces, offering a far more ergonomic cleaning experience for the user. With DRYFT, 100% of the floor surface is scrubbed and dried in a single process, completely removing the need for mopping. Its 4,200 RPM scrubbing power allows the operator to move faster, while delivering superior cleaning performance. Here we can see the time comparison. The T-handle walk-behind scrubber cleaned approximately 90% of the floor in 3 minutes and 32 seconds. However, key areas were missed, requiring a second process using a mop and bucket. Preparing the mop and cleaning the missed areas added 8 minutes and 23 seconds, bringing the total cleaning time to 11 minutes and 55 seconds for this retail space. DRYFT cleaned 100% of the floor area in a single process, with no need for additional mopping. The total cleaning time for DRYFT was 2 minutes and 54 seconds. That's a 75% time saving compared to traditional walk-behind T-handle scrubbers. Reduce cleaning time by 75% with DRYFT. When we look at the amount of water used in each process, the T-handle used 705 milliliters of water, and the mop bucket used 5 liters when mopping the missed areas, with a total of 5.7 liters used. For the same cleaning area, the DRYFT process used only 375 millilitres of water. Reduce water usage by 95% with DRYFT.
DRYFT. From now.